Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I'm here with some Happy Mail from Ms Maragret L. She sent me a box, and I was quite surprised as what was in it. We got Edith Holden, the nature notes of an Edwardian lady. We have this one. They're all the same title, but the covers are all different. We have this one. And then we have this one. Okay. But wait, there's more. Okay. We have this magazine. This magazine. And this magazine. Okay. And these magazines, I have ideas for them and what I'm going to do with them. And y'all will see. And there's more. We also have this fabric. So, this is, oh, I didn't even, oh boy. This is going to be cool to make the ideas that I have for it. Look at that. I'm trying to flatten it so y'all can see it flat. There we go. See that? How pretty? You have this. You have Mother Mary, or the Virgin Mary. You have this one, that one, this photo. And it's repeated, I think. We have this one. We have this one, this one. They're all different photos almost. They do repeat, and I think that's all the photos that they have on it. Okay. So I have an idea for this fabric also. So, in our package today, we got these, this fabric, these magazines. Let me try to zoom out a bit. There we go. That's all I can zoom. And we have all of the Edith Holden books, almost. So, I want to thank Ms Maragret for this Happy Mail. So, thank you so much. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.